Hey guys, it's me again. I have just finished filming. This is part of my light. I changed the placement of my tripod, and now I need to change the setup. Anyway, I finished filming a video on black gesso I made, and the mailman called from outside, and I wasn't expecting any packages. I kept thinking, but I didn't buy anything. But anyway, it's from Victor, our friend Victor from Ukraine. What I was expecting from Victor was a card. That he had made some cards, and he said that one of them was for me, so that's what I was expecting. But look, I got a big package from Victor. I'm gonna try to open this. Let me just cut the edge. So yeah, such a nice surprise. So thanks, Victor. Gee, I hope I didn't cut any of that lace. I just saw some lace there. Oh my god, it's a journal. Oh my god. Look at this. It's a journal. Can you see that? So pretty. Let's see. It's made from fabric and on the outside. And this is where he sewed in the now I can't talk. What do they call that? I forgot. Signatures. The signatures. It's a quilted fabric. And it's got some lace on the edges, and I feel, yeah, look, I felt the little ball things. And you open it here. I hope I'm on focus. It's so hot. Now look, it's got a nice cameo thing here. Let me move. Oh my god. Oh, look at this. It's got one of those Burger King things. He used it as a pocket. I'm gonna have to either zoom in or out, and I'm gonna have to move this light because it's covering it's not working for me there. I don't know. I'm just gonna shut it off and do something about this later. I just moved the camera. Let's see, right there. That should be light enough, I don't know. Oh god, they started with the construction again. Anyway, look how cute. This is a Burger King, I think like a French fry things. And he's got an ATC. Wow. And another card. Nice. Oh. Look how cute. So many details on this little ATC. And here's a tag. Isn't that pretty? I don't know, where am I? Tag. And another tag. So pretty. It's got flower cuts. And lines on the back. And look, JRB Art at the Elms. An art gallery in Oklahoma City. It's got this glued here. This is fabric also. I don't know if he stamped it. It's got some lace here. And this is a pocket. Some palm trees. This is glued on. 7th Avenue, New York. And Australia stamp. And here's a big pocket with some things in it. Look at that, so much, oh, look at that, it's got so much texture. I think this is probably the homemade paper we make. It's got texture, nice. And the rating is in Ukrainian. ATC Mix Media Free Play is the title, and he made it September 19. Oh, look how cute. Good. Nice bird. Here's another ATC. The title is Devel. September 17. Look at that. Boo. Devel. I wonder if that means devil. Okay. This is number 19 in graphic paper, and I don't remember seeing this book. Good, okay. Oh, look, another tag. I don't know. Maybe it's position of the camera. Here's a tag. Some maps and some nice textured paper with cardstock. Very pretty. Another card that says, "Don't buy your BBC Torch Electron related business systems." Oh, Victor. There's a little page with a peacock. This is nice. This is must have been with the jelly print. Music core. So pretty. Look at this, another pocket. So I'm sorry for the noise. Oh wow, look at this. It's got a beautiful texture. It feels like wallpaper or something like that. With some maps. Oh, the construction. I thought they were done for today. I like the bags. He put some paper or tape here. Probably the tape he makes. And look at this. This is glued on. It's so pretty. Look at that. Nice. These flowers are cut and glued here, and there's some paint. Probably jelly. Look how pretty this is. Look at. I hope you see it. Nice little pictures here. And this is a music sheet. Very thick. And another bag with some more need a skip, take a tip. Ramp sportswear and street plans and guides. They cut them too with you know, those scissors, scallop scissors. Records. Oh look. Embrace the rain. It seems like a stencil. Nice. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? So this is the center of the signature. And it's a card. How pretty. I was gonna try to read this, but that's in Ukrainian. So pretty, the colors. And another piece fell out of a pocket. Today I will dance in the rain. These, oh look, an extension card. I wonder if these were in here. Look, these big cards. I didn't have any of these. Thank you, Vic. And look at this. It's like a time card. See, I understand that. I think it says the name here. The year. And it looks like a Ukrainian time card. And this is a music sheet. Like a napkin. A nice flower and pot. I don't know if this is a napkin over music sheet. Like other like hats. I think they're from England. Wellingborough Corby. And there's this envelope. So pretty. Where am I? Right here. Isn't that pretty? Here's another one of those potted plant and some roses. Very pretty. Music sheet. I like these. Really like these images. It looks like a bingo, part of a bingo card. This is really nice. A lot of texture on these papers. Very nice. Nice colors. Wow, what a surprise, Victor. I think the other thing that I put here fell out of here. Whoa, look at this. Coleman's mustard. It's fabric. Wow. I love these. It's like a little sack. That is beautiful. Alexander the Great. Wow. Jelly plate papers. Look how pretty. These are from cigarettes. There's a note, sticky note. Another nice print. And here, lovebirds. Look at that. Look how beautiful. Nice flowers, pink. He's got a design going on here. Look how pretty this is. It's so pretty. I think these two would be nice in a frame, these two together. I think there's another bird somewhere here that if I can fit the three in a frame, I'm going to frame them. And there's a nice pocket. There's something in here. I feel something. Oh, this flower. I know I felt just autumn. Oh, it's cute. ATC. September 7th. I think. I wonder if he puts the month first. If not, it's July 9 or September 7th. Isn't that pretty? The leaves, the flower. And check this out. We've got some bling here, look. Look at that. Another bird. It says fly here. I think this opens up, yeah. Look. Map. It's all a map. I remember seeing when he showed these maps. They're pretty. He made it into a card and it's got a place here for writing. So clever. And that's the end. It is so pretty. See, he covered cardboard with a quilted fabric, and here's the lace. I don't remember seeing him do this. I really don't. I watch all his videos, but I seem to, I forget things. Victor, this has been a beautiful surprise. I thank you so much, and I'm going to treasure this book. I really love it. I really appreciate it, Victor. Thanks so much. Thanks for the surprise. And really all that art in there. It's really, really, well, I'm speechless, and before I start crying like a fool. I'm gonna cut here. So thank you, Victor. Sending you lots of love your way, and I really appreciate this. Thanks so much. Bye. And I promised you I was gonna make I'm gonna make a nice film for you from the capital, from San Juan, because you said you liked videos about, you know, the country. And I'm gonna make you a nice video as a thank you for this journal. So stay tuned for that video. Bye. Thank you.